Do you have two rooms in your house? One that looks like so festive like that, and then one that looks like blasé like this, because this is your dining room and your children tend to wipe their hands on the curtains and you don't want white ones. Well, we were gifted something that is gonna wow this room. This box doesn't look like much. We're gonna get it up and check out all the features of the lights. Okay, so I wanted to show you our hanging process. Now, first of all, these LED strings are all tied on the bottom and on the top. So we released the top of them. Now, it says you could hook them on a window or on your curtain rod, but we wanted to close our curtains when we wanted because it's winter time. So we just hung a string up. And all these, look, I could even do it one-handed. They just all hook up onto the string. And then you can release this one. I didn't release the bottom. Here, let me put this down. I didn't release the bottom yet because I didn't want them all tangling. And it has a remote on the side and we're gonna be putting it on our phone. Let me undo this one, get it hung up and put it on our phone and I'll show you what it looks like. So we have it hung up. Now look, you put it on your phone and then the magic starts happening. Check it out. Now behind us, we actually have our blinds closed because it's daytime. So it'll either work in regards to bouncing off your blinds, or if it's nighttime, it'll just be a darker background. Now everything is right here on your phone. And we have so many different seasons to choose from, as well as all these crazy, crazy things. And you could just flip through it. See how that's Halloween? And it shows on the back end here. And you can make a playlist. You can change the intensity of the colors. I'm trying to get you out of Halloween here. So, because we are into the Christmas, we've got Easter. Oh my goodness. So I'm guessing these are gonna stay up for good throughout the season. Look, candy cane. Oh, so cute. Major party wow, gonna be in any room that you put it in. I love that you can operate it on your phone, off or on, with just a simple click of the button. So if you were in need to wow your house, or this is a great gift for kiddos, the grandkids are gonna fall in love with this. This is what I would choose.